In this video, you'll learn how to check your chat history in Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will be able to access and review your previous conversations with ease. Begin by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will help the application load quickly without interruptions. Once the application is open, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the interface. This sidebar is where you will find your recent chats and searches conveniently listed. You will see a series of items representing your recent conversations. To view a specific chat, simply click on any conversation listed. The selected chat will open instantly, allowing you to read through the messages exchanged. If you wish to see a more comprehensive view of your chat history, look for the option labeled View All within the left sidebar. Clicking this option will take you to a complete list of all your chats. After selecting View All, you will be presented with an extensive list of past conversations. You can scroll through this list to find any specific chat you want to revisit. To reopen a chat, just click on the desired item and it will load for your review. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.